Hi, it's Laura from MakeLifeLovely.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make cute gnome ornaments for your Christmas tree. Start with a 2-inch styrofoam ball and some white faux fur. Make sure the beard goes at least halfway across the middle of the ball. Use fabric scissors to cut a beard shape out of the piece of fur. When cutting faux fur, you want to be sure to just cut the backing of the fur and not the actual fur itself. Wrap the fur beard about halfway up around the styrofoam ball, then use hot glue to attach it. For the nose, I used a 1-inch felt ball, but you could also use a wood bead, a wood ball, or a pom-pom. Add hot glue to the nose and glue it into place. Add a small strip of fur to the back to make hair for the gnome. Now we're going to make the gnome's pointy hat. You'll need a piece of felt for this in any color that you'd like. Wrap the felt around the gnome's head so you can see how wide you need it to be. Fold the felt in half vertically and then cut from one corner to the other in a straight diagonal line. Wrap the felt hat around the gnome ornament. Glue the back of the hat together with hot glue. Add a little dab of glue under the hat on the nose to hold it in place. Take a looped piece of baker's twine, string, or ribbon and attach it to the very top of the hat with hot glue. Press down on the baker's twine and hot glue with a popsicle stick or another object. Just don't use your fingers because obviously they could get burned. Now wrap the felt around to make the hat just how you would like it, and then use hot glue to glue it all into place. I wanted to add more color to my gnome ornaments, so I used some red berries and green leaves. I glued these to the bottom side of the hat. You can also use small jingle bells, mini pine cones, and anything else that works. Gnome Christmas ornaments look great hanging on the tree or hanging on a knob or a hook in your house for cute Christmas decor. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative ideas.